Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Best GIS Tutorial. In today's lecture, I would like to show you how to download Global Digital Surface Model allows code from Open Topography. So first go to Google and Google you can type here Open Topography and click on it. After that, click on this link Open Topography Home. Now you will see this interface, and here go to data and go to data catalog. Wait for that and you will see this interface, and here you can see here is the US view and here is the global views, and here you can change the terrain or you can select hybrid. Let's see this and zoom study area, for which area you want to download image or save image. Note that you must create account in topography data and log in to your account, otherwise you cannot be able to download image from that. So I just show you how to download image without keep sign in to this website. So here is the hybrid data, and let's suppose I just select the satellite image and here zoom to study area. The high resolution, zoom for high resolution. Now zoom it up to some extent where you can see the image resolution is fixed and features seen clearly. After that you right click on here and save images and select folder for that image where you want to save this image, and here rename the image. Now click on save. So you can see that the image is being downloaded. Now go to folder, show the image in folder. Here you can see the image is downloaded. Now open GIS software and add this image to GIS software. Here is the image. Add this image to GIS. You can see that we can further use it for analysis, such as check the properties of the image. Property of that image. Here you can see the raster information, number of band which is 4, cell size which is 1. Now here you can see the coordinate system. Now after that we can assign coordinate system by projection. Now and go to data management tool. In data management tool, click on projection and transformation tool, and here click on define projection. Now add the satellite image. Now here add projection. click on OK. Okay, wait for that. Now here again go to properties of the image and check the projection. You can see that it take a projection. So by this way you can download satellite image from Open Topography. I hope you will learn that how to download high resolution satellite image. So thank you.